When most people hear AI, they imagine jobs disappearing. In reality, AI is quietly changing how almost every job is done. In this lesson, you'll see which parts of work machines handle best, and where human skills actually become even more important. When we talk about AI and jobs, it's more accurate to focus on tasks, not entire careers vanishing. AI is excellent at data-heavy, pattern-based tasks. Those parts of many jobs will be automated or sped up. But every role also has a human side: empathy, complex judgment, and understanding people and context. The real shift is this: future careers will blend human strengths with AI tools. You'll work with machines, not compete against them. Work itself falls into three broad types. First, routine and rules-based work: repeated steps, clear instructions, predictable outcomes. Second, creative and novel work: coming up with fresh ideas, designs, or solutions. Third, people-centric work: listening, caring, persuading, or guiding others. AI doesn't affect all three equally, so knowing which type dominates a job is key to judging its future. Routine, rule-based tasks are activities where you simply follow clear steps again and again, like data entry, scheduling, or copying information from one place to another. These are exactly the types of tasks AI and automation handle best. Machines can do them faster, cheaper, and non-stop, without getting bored or tired. That doesn't mean humans disappear. Our role shifts from doing every small step to setting up, monitoring, and improving the system. Instead of being the data entry person, you might be the one who checks quality, solves exceptions, and decides how the process should work. Creative work is one of the areas changing most with AI. Designers and artists once spent hours just creating rough drafts. Now AI tools can generate instant sketches, layouts, or design variations in seconds. That doesn't mean creativity is automated. The real power is still in your vision, your taste, and your sense of what feels right. AI becomes your co-pilot, helping you explore more ideas faster. People-centric work is all about empathy, trust, and motivation. Think of roles like teachers, counselors, nurses, managers, and social workers. In these jobs, AI's impact is mostly supportive, not replacing. It can handle reports, scheduling, and basic data, so humans aren't stuck in paperwork. Your main value is real connection. In these careers, AI can free you to spend more time listening, understanding, and helping people directly. Some jobs are changing very quickly because AI can do the repetitive, on-screen parts faster and cheaper. Roles like data entry, basic content writing, and junior customer support are already shifting. Instead of typing everything from scratch, people in these jobs increasingly review and correct AI-generated work or handle only the tricky cases. It doesn't mean no jobs, but low-skill copy-paste style work is becoming less safe over time. Other types of work change much more slowly with AI. These are jobs where small mistakes can be dangerous, and where people need strong human trust. Think of specialized surgeons, skilled trades like electricians or plumbers, and psychologists or therapists. In these areas, AI mainly helps with planning, information, or monitoring. It acts like a powerful assistant, while final decisions and delicate actions stay with humans. AI also won't stay limited to tech companies. Lawyers, farmers, chefs, teachers, doctors, everyone will use smarter tools. So the question for you isn't will my field change, but will I be the person who knows how to use AI better than others? AI doesn't just remove work, it reshapes it. When certain tasks become automated, companies don't simply shut down jobs. They redesign them and create new roles around data, tools, and human skills. Think of careers like AI product managers, digital storytellers, or people who translate between tech teams and users. Many of these roles need curiosity, communication, and problem solving, much more than hardcore coding. An AI product manager is like the bridge between technology and people's needs. They don't sit and code all day. Instead, they understand users' problems. Then guide the tech team on what AI feature or product should be built next. They balance usefulness, safety, and feasibility. To do this well, they need empathy, clear communication, comfort with data and AI concepts, and the ability to make tough trade-off decisions. Here's a new kind of job created almost entirely by AI, the data annotator or AI trainer. Think of it as being the teacher for an AI system. Humans carefully label images, mark what's in videos, categorize text, or score how good an AI's answer is. The AI then learns from thousands of these examples. When the human teaching is clear and accurate, the final AI system is far smarter, safer, and more useful. Let's look at two more AI-era careers: prompt designer and AI ethics specialist. A prompt designer teaches AI systems by giving smart, clear instructions so the output is useful, accurate, and creative. An AI ethics specialist focuses on fairness, transparency, and safety, making sure AI does not harm or discriminate. Both careers rely heavily on strong language skills, logical thinking, and a deep sense of responsibility. Preparing for the AI era is less about picking the perfect career and more about how you work. Instead of trying to beat AI, use it like a powerful calculator for thinking, writing, and creating. Double down on human strengths. Ask good questions, solve messy problems, tell clear stories, and understand people. At the same time, stay comfortable with new tools. Experiment, click around, learn shortcuts. If you keep combining human skills with smart technology, you'll stay relevant in almost any field you choose. As you move forward, remember how AI fits into your future work. Let it automate the boring, repetitive tasks so you can save time and energy. Use it as an assistant to explore ideas faster and make your creativity bigger, not smaller. And most importantly, build a career where your human strengths, empathy, ethics, and real connection guide how you use every AI tool.